What's up, YouTube? We back with another vid. Got Miss 2-3 right here. We bulldogging Tuesdays. Let's do it. And I'm dropping it on Tuesday. I'm gonna drop this one. Eddie. We finna walk her back to the yard, and then I'm gonna just let her chase the flirt pole again. Basically like the video I made the other day, but I'm steady working with the dogs. I know I said I was gonna make a video with other dogs like on their own, but it's Jordan right here, man. I gotta make sure my dog look good. Then we go to them. Really, all the dogs looking good, but and my baby right here, we're gonna working with her a little bit more. Off of CJ and Miha. I had her on the chain and it's for like 2 days, and I don't know if she just was getting into something or what she was doing, but like every time she get on the chain, she be looking like she look regular, and then she'll go to looking Chinese, like her I ain't even gonna say that, like she just go to looking like Chinese, like. Her face, like her facial expressions be looking different is what I mean. But that and then her ears, like I noticed I be making sure I be cleaning the yard up, but if you can tell, like them flies was at her ears like crazy. So I put some if you get some spray, really, it's some off spray. If you get some off spray, it's gonna go away. Watch it, Jordan. Like, you see what I mean? Like, the flies was going crazy on her ears, but I had sprayed some stuff on her, and then it wasn't like, it ain't like it's poop or something on the ground where it's a whole bunch of flies out there. So I was like, okay, I'm making sure there ain't no poop on the ground or anything, but from being outside, then it was real cold, and now it's back hot. And I don't know if like in all areas it's like this. I don't got no like still water around me, or like not around the house, not near, like immediately around the house. But when it's cold, or if it's raining, the flies be going away. And then when I be saying that, I always say, do like a fire, or if you make like a fire, it'll be straight for like a couple days. Or it's like, long as like nothing ain't like die or nothing around you, you're gonna be straight. Like they're not gonna come back right away. What is you eating? Out something, but like the flies be going away from me, and then they'll just randomly come back, and they don't be like, it's like, you know, like a whole bunch of poop or like something like still water. You know how like if you got water and something and like a gallon, if you got like a gallon of water sitting outside and like mosquitoes lay, there'd be like a whole bunch of mosquitoes in that area if it's been sitting too long. And I be making sure like you fill the water out every day. You spray the water down, or if it rain or something, you know, to clean the water out. So I don't know, but I just say just make sure the yard clean, and then I'm gonna put some more dime down. Not dime, some more lime. I'm gonna put some more lime down, and I should be straight. And just gotta keep cleaning up. Probably do another fire tonight. She walking under me. So they supposed to be in front of me. But yeah, I said I'll do something like that tonight, and then for the next couple of days to make sure I keep them flies down. And it's just like she the only one with it on her ears and stuff. I had Peaches on the chain with her yesterday too, well, next to her. Peaches ain't had no flies on her, nothing. She straight. Then Diamond, I looked at Diamond too. Diamond was where I had put Jordan at. And Jordan, I mean Diamond straight. So I don't know if she just attracted something or what she was doing. But it definitely caught up to her. But let me get back to the yard and then I'm gonna put her on the little pole so I could get my stuff and have her chasing the flirt pole. She look good though. I just wish she got a little bit bigger. I just wish she had got a little bit bigger, but it's Jordan right here. These good pictures for the thumbnail too. This is Miha at CJ. Right here. Soon as I let her go. They got goats on the back of their truck. I found a little flip pole. But really, she found it before me.
You want to be in it or mostly her?
You can do both. Let me know when it gets to like 3 minutes. Misery!
you at 328.